Hey guys, Jonah here, and I've just got the keys for our new factory, and it is massive. The last time I saw it, it was full of stuff. It's empty now, and I can tell you, it looks far bigger. It's 11,000 square foot, this is. It would swallow up all 5 of my current units. This unit here is a single factory building. So this is just on a huge business park, Winsford Road 1, if you know it, if you're local. And we've got some big plans for this unit. So I've got mezzanines going in. I've got a lot happening, but it doesn't stop here actually, because this is the main rectangular factory unit. But through these doors, we also have a kitchen, toilets, and then some offices. So I'll flip the camera around. We've got a small office, but then through these doors, goes into an extra office room. And then we have another door here, which you're gonna be surprised by this. Another huge factory. No, same one. But we are gonna do an office extension here. So literally we're gonna carry that office on, probably all the way along the back. And also there is a brand new shutter door going in here, in this gap. So then we can have a goods in and a goods out. This scissor lift has been taking out an overhead crane, which was, this was an engineering works and had a massive crane sat here with rails front to back. I'll put in a picture. And that just removed the crane on the weekend. That was part of the negotiations. It's got a new roof, brand new roof on it, all with solar panels, all new LED lighting, and all of the walls are painted nice and white. But the floor is a right state. This is an ex-engineering works. There's loads of oil and dust and cracks and breaks. I like to be able to sweep everywhere and get it all looking perfect. So that is the first job. I've got to put in a 3-phase socket because we've got a big concrete grinder coming in on Monday. It's currently the weekend, and it's going to be grinding back all of this floor, a couple of mil, and then we're going to be resining the whole floor. I've got an amazing guy, Steve. He's done 3 of my unit, my triple bay's resin floored, and my biggest single. And my very first unit he resin floored, and he's coming to do this. It's the biggest floor he's done for me yet, and it is a monster job. But I've got to put in a 3-phase socket, so we've got 3-phase power in this unit, but we don't have any 3-phase sockets. This is the outside of the factory. It's a big old brick building, really, really solid. Loads of parking. One of my biggest problems on the business park I was on is we're a growing team and not enough parking, but that problem is fully solved here. I think we've got 40 days of parking, so it's going to be a dream. A lot more space and a lot more scope to grow and get some more machinery and improve. And we are just in the nick of time, because one of the big reasons for this move is we've had a brand new machine commissioned to kind of make cutting shadow foam quicker, more efficient, more accurate, and also reduce packing errors. And the way we're going to do that is with this brand new CNC machine that has a load on and load off feature. It also has a couple of brand new unique features that have been invented and added to this machine I don't think any other machine has got. And that lands from America. It's an American company that's built it for us, and it's coming here to the UK in November. So I've been to Edmonton's, picked up all the gear. Time to fit the socket. I spied a damsel. She was young and handsome. Her beauty fairly took my breath away. Right, so it's Monday the 6th of October and we are officially in the building, and my socket is working. I came in on the weekend and fitted a 3-phase 63 amp socket just in time, because Monday morning they've turned up with a big concrete grinder. They're taking 2 mil off the top of the whole floor in the first pass, and then they're going to go back over it again and do like a final takeoff, a final grind. They've got a lot of areas they've got to do by hand, because there is lots of lumps and bumps in this floor, lots of oil patches. After they've done that, they then have to go around and repair all of the little like lumps and bumps and patches, and there's quite a lot of cracks and stuff. Hopefully they're going to get most of them gone. I don't think it's going to be perfect, but there's a lot of big like divots in the floor that are going to be taken out, and then it'll be the resin coat over the top. So I'm pretty excited, and it is the first real crucial step really. Something that you can't fix this with garage floor paint, so we've got to have a proper job, but I think it's going to set a really good foundation for the rest of the unit. So I'm quite excited to get this done. So I think it's time to cut to the time lapse. So it's Wednesday the 8th, we are midweek on the first week, and it's all happening. The floor is taking a lot more time to grind than we initially expected, because it's so uneven, there's so many lumps and bumps to get through loads of grinding discs. So it's a bit of a job, I reckon. We were hoping it was going to be all resined this week. Steve has just told me he's probably going to be grinding all week and patch repairing the floor all week, and then we'll be resining next week. But we're still making lots of progress. The shutter door, which is quite crucial, you can see is in. Got the electrics, that is working, so that's pretty good. The wall behind that is going to be knocked out next week or the week after. Again, I'm trying to get confirmation on that, but that's not so much pressing. Having the door in, at least I know it's up off the ground. The scissor lift is now gone, and it's one big clear unit ready for, well, 3 or 4 more days of grinding. We're going to be grinding the floor on the weekend as well, so lots more to do, but yeah, back to the time lapse. So I'm back on the weekend because all of the grinding is finished, and I think that wraps up vlog 1. I thought we might have got the floor coating down, but the grinding was an absolute mammoth task. Steve and the team were on it all week, but as you can see, and you've seen from the time lapse, it was a big job. They didn't stop, and it's an old floor. They've done a lot of grinding all the way around, but it's all ground now, and fair play. Bit of patch repair now. Next week it'll be all the patch repairs and then the resin. Can't wait to see what this is going to look like with all the grey resin floor down. It's going to be a blank canvas ready for all the machines, the mezzanine, the foam. It's going to be amazing. The acoustics are mental. I'm loving the acoustics in here. Every time I'm in here doing anything, I just start singing. Because the echo is mental. So yeah, pretty cool, pretty cool unit. It won't be like this for long though, this factory. Let me know in the comments what you think of these vlog videos. Would you like me to keep them coming? Would you like to see the inside, the behind the scenes of the factory? Drop a thumbs up on the video, drop a like, it'd really help. And it'll tell me you guys are enjoying them and I'll keep them coming. So I've enjoyed making this first one and it gives me a record of the factory and what it looks like. So yeah, I'll see you in the next one.